We're going to install the Berlin Gardens 3-seat glider and console. Tools you'll need is a 1/2-inch wrench, 7/16 inch wrench, a hammer, and an Allen key that comes with it. First, we're going to set up the seat and back, and we're going to attach them together. So we have our glider bracket. We have a 2.5-inch bolt that goes through. On the other side, we have the aluminum spacer. We're going to make sure that they both go through here. You're going to have your lock nut, which is going to go on. It's going to cinch tight after you tighten it down. And then you're going to have the cap nut as well. It's going to go on afterwards. Assembly finished. Now you can enjoy your Berlin Gardens glider.